So guys, you've probably seen my short on this video, okay, about turbo pipes and air pipe splitting. If it's not too big, okay, this is the stuff you need for your temporary repairs, okay. You get them on Amazon in a pack of 3. I'm going to put a link below, because obviously on my short I said there's a video on my page. You can get the link, so the link will be in the bottom of this video. But this is the stuff you want to keep in your boot of your car, because you never know when you're going to need this. Obviously it's also good to keep a roll of duct tape, because if you can put this on and some duct tape, you can quite often go quite a while without changing that pipe. So yeah, so the link is below to this stuff, guys. It's amazing. I use it on all my customers' cars when I do smoke pressure tests and I find a leak. Sometimes if the pipe's a bit too awkward to get off, I'll just stick some of this on, you know, then advise the customer to order whatever pipe they need. But and it dries fast as well, so that's the stuff, guys. And I hope you find this video useful, and I've done the hard work for you, okay, in finding this. And my doggy, look at my doggy. Look at him, here he goes. He's like, what are you doing, Dad? What are you doing down there, mate? Anyway, guys, you have a nice day.